Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. Negotiating your salary and compensation package can be nerve-wracking. Use these 5 AI prompts with ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Perplexity, or your favorite AI engine to get your customized playbook showing you how to make your salary negotiation more productive and get the compensation package you deserve. I put together a free PDF download for you so you can just simply cut and paste them into whatever AI engine you're using. It's free and the link is in the show notes. Here we go. Number 1, in the context of X job market, I'm discussing salary for a job title X position at company X, which is known for its blank traits and company culture. With my X years of experience in this field, how should I approach a negotiation to show my value? Number 2, with a unique blend of skills in Skill 1 and Skill 2 acquired over my X year career span in both X fields, I'm approaching salary discussions for job title X, which is a role at company X. What strategy should I adopt to ensure my salary not only matches industry standards, but also acknowledges the unique expertise I bring to the table? Number 3, I'm transitioning to field X after X years in this field. I'm interviewing for job title X, which is a role at company X. How can I leverage my transferable skills to negotiate a competitive salary despite the industry change? Number 4, as an early career professional with X years of experience in X field, I'm in the process of negotiating my salary for X job title, which is a position at company X. I want to work in a company that values these traits. How can I effectively communicate my potential contributions within this company? And number 5, as a recent graduate entering the X field, I'm preparing for an interview for job title X, which is a position at company X. Considering my academic achievements but limited practical experience, how should I approach my salary negotiation? Feel free to tweak these as needed to get your playbook to successfully negotiate your next salary and compensation package. Remember to grab the download in the show notes so you can easily cut and paste these right into your AI engine. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes, and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.